license.
I'm not giving it to you.
No, that's not happening yet. I'll call him in 1 minute. So the reason for the stop, south of the lake, which is south of Atlantic, I was sitting there in the middle of the road. You're going 65 miles an hour.
I wasn't
45. I make the turnaround. Hold on, you asked me the reason for the stop. I'm informing you.
Palm Beach County, Florida, June 2nd. Launcheling Arshawu. 1 traffic stop. 3 refusals. 1 arrest. The officer clocked him doing 68 inches of 45. The driver kept moving. When he finally stopped, he refused to hand over his license. In Florida, when an officer activates lights and sirens, you are legally required to stop immediately at the nearest safe location. Refusing to stop, refusing to identify, and refusing a lawful order to exit. Those are 3 separate violations. He chose all 3.
That means stop moving the car. Now back up. Really? You're a fucking idiot. Stop the car right here and stop driving around. No, stop here. You're done driving around. Stop the car right here before I arrest you. Stop. Idiot. Yo, you know what blue lights mean, right? That means stop.
Listen,
that means don't keep driving.
Sir,
No. Listen, you took your driver's test, right?
Sir?
Did you take your driver's test?
Okay.
No, that's a real simple question. Did you take your driver's test?
Yes, I did.
So what do blue and white lights mean that signify a police car? What does that mean? Does that mean keep driving till you're ready?
It's not red. It's blue.
You're right. I said blue and white.
I don't know. I didn't even see you.
We're trying to find a good place.
We're trying to find
stop.
a safe place, and you
Right here where I tell you to go is a safe place.
That's not how it goes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Driver's license.
Why did you put me over?
Driver's license.
I'm not giving it to you.
No, that's not happening yet. I'll call him in 1 minute. So the reason for the stop, south of the lake, which is south of Atlantic, I was sitting there in the middle of the road. You're going 65 miles an hour.
I wasn't
45. I make the turnaround. Hold on, you asked me the reason for the stop. I'm informing you the reason for the stop. We come south of Lincoln Boulevard, and then you're going 68 miles an hour in a 45 mile an hour zone.
Sir, I'm just trying to make it safe.
I just informed you the reason for the stop.
I'm just trying to make it safe for me and you.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
But why you?
Don't worry about it. I'll worry about our safety. Once I know who I'm talking to, listen to me. Once I know who I'm talking to, then we can move to a safer spot. But you don't just keep driving. Really?
I didn't keep driving.
You didn't keep driving? I literally made an entire U-turn.
Because we was in the middle of the road. We was in the middle of the road.
We're in a turn lane.
Yes, we're in the turn lane. So how are you going to
give me your driver's license? I've already told you to stop.
I want you to call your supervisor.
I will, but I'm going to need that driver's license.
Give me my driver's license. It's not.
Yeah,
what are you doing?
What is going on?
What are you doing?
If you
this is illegal.
What
you doing is illegal.
So identify yourself.
No, I'm not failing to ask for a supervisor.
For resisting without violence.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your driver's license.
I'm not resisting.
I'll put your handcuffs. I'll still call a supervisor.
I'm not resisting.
Where's your driver's license?
I'm not giving you my driver's license.
Take this to the next step.
Where did I take it?
Your driver's license.
And you have your hands in my car, opening my door.
Ready?
What do you mean I'm ready?
Give me the driver's license.
Why you
I've already
treating me
told
like
you the
this?
reason for the stop.
That didn't happen. I didn't agree with it.
Okay.
Why you opening my door?
You don't have to agree with it. Get out. Put the car in park.
Why
Get out of the car? I'm not joking.
What are you doing, sir? What am I doing?
I've already explained to you the reason for the stop.
That is
I have explained to you in detail the reason for the stop.
That is not.
You're still failing to identify yourself.
That is not.
Give me your driver's license, and I will get a supervisor as you requested.
Right now we feel threatened.
Now you take off your belt. Take off your seatbelt since you don't want to give me your driver's license.
Listen, sir, I would feel more comfortable if you...
Look
what you're doing.
Go ahead. No, that's fine. I'll get your supervisor on the way. But here, you've already said exactly what I told you not to. Get out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car before you make this entirely worse. Step out of the car.
Why you getting so
I've already
aggressive?
explained it to you. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Stand right here.
Bro, I didn't do anything.
Don't do that.
Why you put my hand behind? I didn't do anything.
Give me your hand and put it behind your back.
I'm not
right now.
You can put it in the front because I'm not doing anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're just doing this for no reason. You can put it in front. I didn't do anything illegal.
You're going to go on the ground and I'm going to get your hands behind your back. You understand me? Like I said, in 1 second, you're standing too close to me right now. Back up. I'm dealing with him. You can stay back in the car. I'll get all that information in a minute. Back up. You're too close to standing next to me.
How far should we have to be? Like, what are you doing, sir?
Hey, stop moving around. Stop moving around.
I don't want to get wet.
Stop moving around.
Okay, I just don't want to get wet.
Okay, well, too bad it's raining, and I don't have an umbrella for either one of
Okay,
us.
so you don't have to handle me like this, sir.
All these are traffic.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to stop for blue lights.
Under Florida Statute 322.15, every driver must carry and produce their license upon lawful demand. That is not a request. It is a statutory obligation. The driver admitted he took his driver's test. He knew what blue lights meant. His own words confirmed the stop was lawful before he refused to comply with it. When the driver refused to exit the vehicle, the officer was legally authorized to remove him. Florida courts have consistently held that an officer may order a driver out of a stopped vehicle without additional justification. Pennsylvania versus Mims. 430 și 4 S. Ibalinglu. The Supreme Court ruled that ordering a driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle does not violate the Fourth Amendment. Period. The driver said, quote, "I didn't agree. That was a good enough reason." That argument has no legal standing. Disagreement with a traffic stop does not suspend the duty to comply. That is a courtroom argument, not a roadside one.
Come this way. I just told you I'd get it to you. Give me 1 second. I'm dealing with him right now. Wow. This is my priority.
This is crazy. Why I have to be here? I'm not sitting down.
Okay, well, you can stand, bro. Hold on to you.
I'm not gonna run, man. What you like? I got on work shoes, bro.
Okay.
Like, why would I run, bro? What's wrong with you?
I don't know why you wouldn't just stop or give me your driver's license when I told you.
Because
to.
I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
I don't feel why you picked.
I've already explained to you the reason for the stop.
It was not a good reason. It's not a good reason.
That's your opinion.
Okay, and that's your opinion.
I'm gonna explain everything here in 1 minute. You asked for my information. Go ahead and jot it down. I'm giving it to you, and then you can go back to where you were. And go ahead and hang out in the car where it's safer. Okay, well, you're not gonna stand here with us either. So you're gonna go in the car. You ready for my name and information as you've requested? So, now that it's just you and I here, you're not showing out for your girl. Let me explain this to you.
I'm not showing out for my girl.
Did I not explain to you the reason for the stop?
I'm not even that type of dude.
Listen to me.
Listen to me like that, bro. That's not even cool.
What does it say when a police car has lights and siren activated to pull you over? You pull over right or left, whatever's the safest portion of the roadway, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
You pull over. You identify yourself. Now I say, you know what? This probably isn't a good spot for either one of us. Let's move it out of the roadway, and then we'll take this to where it needs to go, and we both be on our merry way. But here's the problem. I've explained to you the reason for the stop after you asked me, why am I being stopped? Did I not?
Yes, you did.
And then I said I need your driver's license.
Yeah.
And then you told me that that's not a good enough reason. You're not going to provide me with your driver's license. Now we have an issue.
Okay,
because you're failing to identify yourself.
That's not what is going on.
Unfortunately, that is because it's all on camera.
I know. So I know what I'm saying.
Okay,
That's not what's going on. That's not what happened.
Did you provide me with your driver's
I
license?
didn't give you my ID because you said it was the reason. I didn't agree.
That's not how it works.
I engaged. I know I wasn't going 40, 65 or any of the miles you were saying.
Okay, good news is it's on camera in my police car as well.
Okay, cool.
Okay, you don't determine where the stop occurs.
It's raining. I'm going under a pavilion.
Okay.
I know the Walmart
How do I know
there. Because I put my hand out the window
and doesn't mean anything.
And pointed to where I was going. I'm like,
well, where's the whole issue when you fail to identify yourself after I've shown that I'm a police officer? You've seen it's a police car, and I explained to you the reason for the stop, and you said, I'm not giving it to you.
I didn't fail to.
No, you did.
I didn't
because I still don't have it in my hand.
I didn't give it to you yet.
Not yet. You said you're not giving it to me.
I did not. I didn't feel like it was what you're pulling me over is correct.
Well, that's not for you to dictate. That's for the judge.
Okay, well, that's okay.
All right. If you prefer, you can just go ahead and stop because you're digging yourself a deeper hole on why you didn't give me your driver's license, which is failing to identify yourself.
I know, I wasn't trying to.
And then I say to step out of the car, and you say, I'm not getting out of the car, which ensues me to have to open the door and do it for you.
You was being overly aggressive.
And then you wanted to pull away from me here.
I tried to pull away.
Yeah. You basically said, when I put one hand behind your back and said, give me the other, you pushed off the car. But I'm not with that.
I said, you getting me wet.
I'm
You're not
not
gonna
worried
say
about
that.
that. Like I said,
It's on camera. Like, what are you talking
you're right.
about,
It's
sir?
on this one,
I
that
haven't-
one, and hopefully hers.
I
But she
haven't
only gets
been-
half of it.
I
That's the
haven't
issue.
been aggressive at all to you.
No,
You
it's your
pulled
failure
up,
to comply.
You came to the window.
It's your failure to comply with a law enforcement order. That is
am.
providing your driver. No,
But sir,
unfortunately, that part's on video for you. There you go. Just take her advice. Just stop talking.
Corporal Carl Lucky arrived and invoked Florida Statute 322.15 directly. When a driver cannot produce their license, they must submit to fingerprinting. The driver's response, "That's not true." It was true. Corporal Lucky cited the statute correctly. A driver who cannot produce a license at a lawful stop can be fingerprinted for identification purposes. Non-compliance escalates the charge. Florida Statute 843.02 obstruction of an officer without violence. A first-degree misdemeanor. Up to 1 year in county jail and a $1 to $1,000 fine. The driver was not charged with speeding. He was charged with obstruction. The original traffic violation, 68 inches of 45, became irrelevant the moment he refused to identify himself. Under Graham versus Connor. Patru sute nozechu. N. Itsi. Sembai Bashaleo. Itenjo by Bashijo. Officer conduct is evaluated by what a reasonable officer knew in the moment, not in hindsight. Every action here, the door. The handcuffs. The fingerprint demand holds up under that standard. The officer gave him multiple off-ramps. Explain the stop. Ask for the license. Warn about escalating charges. Invite the supervisor. The driver declined every one.
From this point forward, just make it easier on yourself. Ma'am, is this your fiance? Is this your fiance, boyfriend, husband, or what's the variation?
Yeah, it's my partner.
Okay, that's fine. Whatever the case may be, do you have a picture of his driver's license or ID or anything like that? Because he's not really cooperating on how to spell his last name.
What's going on?
I just need to know how to spell
No,
his last
but
name.
why is he reacting this way?
Because he's upset that we're standing in the rain, but we're all standing in the rain. That's kind of the issue. But,
Babe, what's going on?
ma'am, can you please help me spell his name so I can get this paperwork going?
Hold on 1 second.
Ma'am.
1 second, sir. You asked me to wait 1 second when you were giving me your information. I'm asking you 1 second, please.
Yeah, but there's a big difference, okay? I'm dealing with him, who clearly you see how he's acting, right?
Okay, I need to see what's going on with him first. My priority is him, as you can understand.
All right, I get what's going on. Got it. Is this a rental car?
Yes.
I see on the rental agreement?
Yes.
Okay, may I see the rental agreement just so I can get the correct spelling of his name, since neither of you want to provide me with that?
Peterson!
Ma'am.
What do you want to do? Do you want to get... He's asking for information.
If he doesn't give me the name, he's going to go to jail as John Doe.
He's going to jail?
That's correct.
Why is he going to jail?
For failing to identify himself. May I
So
please
he's
get the rental
identify
agreement?
himself.
Ma'am,
What? Over a stop
can you
sign?
really help me?
May I speak to the supervisor now,
In
please?
1 minute, he's actually talking to my supervisor right now.
Okay, I will prefer to after your supervisor.
Okay, well, he's talking to my supervisor right now.
Okay, after he's done, I'll speak to
I will
him.
go ahead and get my supervisor and advise him that you would like to speak with him after he is done with dealing with him.
Then I will wait, sir.
Okay, but I need the spelling of his name so we can get
I
this
will give
going.
that information to your supervisor.
Okay.
we're calm in this situation. I didn't do anything, and you don't want to take the handcuffs off me. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything at all. This is just a traffic violation. So I don't know why my handcuffs.
Come in your car for a second, please.
I didn't check or anything like that.
Give him a good once-over, please.
Yes, sir. I'm Corporal Carlicky with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. I got her after the fact. I guess that gentleman pulled you over because he said you were speeding, correct?
Yes.
Okay, he said you didn't have your driver's license on. Do you have your driver's license on you?
No, I don't, sir.
Okay, so therefore we're going to take your prints because per chapter 322.15 of the Florida State Statute revised, you have to give us your prints. So I'm going to step you out of the car and we're going to take your prints, okay?
That's not true.
Look at me. Look at me. I say this out of sincerity. It's year 27 for me. You have to give me your prints. You're going to give us the prints. Otherwise, you're going to go to county jail for resisting without.
The suspect was charged with. The officers get an A. Methodical, passion, legally precise. They let the subject narrate his own case against himself, and the cameras caught every word. The driver gets a D. He refused to stop, refused to identify, refused to exit, disputed a statute to a corporal's face. All of it captured on 2 body cameras. The passenger gets a B-. She cooperated eventually, but her hesitation to assist with something as simple as a name extended the stop for everyone. Lesson: the right to contest a traffic stop is real and protected, but it begins after compliance, not instead of it. Roadside is not the forum. The courtroom is. He was charged with obstruction without violence. Bond set at $1,000. The license he refused to produce had existed. The stop, he said, wasn't valid, it was on camera. If you want more body cam analysis, hit subscribe. Drop a comment, was the arrest justified? Or did the officer escalate too quickly? We'll see you in the next one.
Obstructing an officer without violence and had a $1,000 bond.